can't bring a cicada bug in the house. No, no. Hey, look that. Yeah, that quieted it down. Hey, that's enough. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. No. We're gonna. Hey, Milk Dud, don't eat the thing.